Hey, you're John Dutton, aren't you?
Yep.
You saying you shot John Dutton?
I'm just a party planner, baby. I just put people together. What they do is what they do.
We speak to you for a moment.
You gonna speak, fucking speak.
This him. This is who he used to put it together. Who's this? Saw me from way back.
The head comes to him, and put people together on the outside.
So he went to the militia.
Keeping this.
Here's the key.
You can go now, Mom.
I love nothing more than to shoot you in the back of the head and be done with you. No one would know. Not now. We'll have ourselves an old-fashioned shootout. Care to send me to hell? Or I park your sorry ass in hell. This is as even as it's gonna get.